Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, March 9th. Time is 8:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yesterday was unprecedented. This drop is just been, amazing. I haven't seen anything like this in a long time. So, and this was inventories right here at the 11 o'clock hour. We was around, I think it topped out at 52.85, and now we're all the way down in the $49 area, less than 24-hour period. So push down yesterday, channel overnight, big push down during the London session, channel a little bit, and I do believe we're going to continue to push down. These are looking like continuation prints right here. So I am looking to get short, so I was kind of watching right when this pushed up, even though it was in the well, I guess not. We had reached down to the oversold area, but that was 6:30 this morning. It's been channeling since then, so big channel, but it's significant enough to trade the chop. But what I will look to do is probably if we get back up to the 7 deviation line once again, or this is the 49.44 actually looks like the trap area with all the aggressive sellers coming in at this point, and it may hold that area, so I may actually look to go short there as well. And today's going to be a little different as far as trading, because this is looking like set up to be a true position type trade. So I may get half off break even, and then I won't peel anything else. And see if we push down for another 100 tick plus day. Yesterday was 260 something ticks, I believe it was what I saw the change was. But we shall see. So dollar, it did a big push up yesterday. It's trickling down a little bit, testing this 50-day moving average, and then it should continue up as well. So yeah, I see the dollar starting to get strong again, and that should bring crude down even more. So there's about to be some cheap gasoline out there for a little bit, so I'm not sure how long that's going to last, but it's coming for the short term. So, all right, guys, I'm going to watch for a bit, and I'll let you know when I get in. All right, be back shortly. Okay, guys, this happened really quick, so I had to get everything set up before I fired this video back up. All right, here's where we at. A big drop down in the dollar, and this big push up that I missed. Caught this pullback down long, 10 contracts, 49.54. Got half off at 64. Stop is sitting at break even right now. At 54, and I didn't get a chance to get another 10 off there. I mean, this joker moved really fast. So let me look here for a minute. 54. So yeah, it reached up. Yeah, I could have pulled 40 ticks out of that real quick, or 30 ticks rather. Okay, I'm gonna grab 20 ticks though. Sell one at what I say, 74. See if we can get that off. And all right, we're gonna watch. So with that big drop, look like the bulls might actually run CL today. So that was a great indicator there. A lot of up pressure. It came really quick. It's just impressively quick. So, okay. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. 5 contracts long, 49.54. Stop sitting at break even. Look to pull one off at 74. And, I know I said I wasn't going to scale out, but it's the habit of my trading plan. It's just difficult to deviate from that, as I shouldn't really deviate from that. So we'll just try to make this a regular trading day if we can, and see how far up we're actually going to push up So on a big time picture though, this is probably just a pullback towards the upside. But yeah, I think we're going to be playing in the $40 area for quite a while. So let's see if we can get this contract off here though. But all right, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we're at. All right, got one off at 74 for 20 ticks, and I'm gonna leave my stop at 54. So 4 contracts long, 49.54, and I think we're gonna try to peel one more at 84, and then I will let the last one run. Try to shoot up for this 50 moving average here. Holding 3 contracts. So, all right, be back in a bit. All right, got that off at 84 for 30 ticks. 3 contracts long now, 49.54, and 49, 50, 54. Where we at? 50, 54. Okay, this might actually be doable. I'm gonna go ahead and set a 100 tick profit target on 2 of the contracts, and that will actually put me at profit goal. So this will be a nice quick morning if that happens. So I'm actually really close right now anyway. And I'm going to, let me see here. Let's see, I'm in at 54. I'll leave stop at break even. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, went ahead, pulled one off at 50.04 for 50 ticks. I like the even numbers. Leaves me 2 contracts long at 49.54, and I will see if I can still pull one off. Now I'm adjusted to 1 now at 50.54, and stop is still sitting at break even. I'm gonna go ahead and move that up to I'm gonna move my stop up to 64. 49.64. So, okay, recap, 2 contracts long, 49.54. Stop sitting at 64 for to lock in 10 ticks. And look to pull one off at 54 for 100 ticks. And we'll just let the last one run, see how far it can actually go. All right, be back in just a moment. All right, stopped out there. So 50 ticks on this run. And I may wrap up the day, not quite sure yet. Still a lot of action, still a lot of day left. So, actually, I'm at profit target. So, but we'll see. Let me watch for a bit. And if I do get back into another trade, I'll let you know. If not, I'll just go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, be back shortly. Okay, guys, that is a wrap for me. Met profit goal, and it's going to be a nice day outside today, so I think I'd rather go play out in Mother Nature. So let me show you what I was seeing. Left a whole lot on the table on my initial trade, which should have probably been around 49. But let me run you back to, what time is this? 6:30. Okay, here is what I was seeing. Let me go ahead and pull this up just a bit. So this amazing down pressure coming in to the market here. You get up there. Okay, so we got down to the 1.5 deviation. I would not have seen this trade. The prints didn't give me anything on this reversal. So I definitely would have missed this one, but would have caught the pullback. So here's what typically happens. So a lot of times, once you get a valid reversal, you'll get some type of a pullback to, at minimum, the 8 moving average, and that's exactly what happened here. So I possibly would have gotten long somewhere in this area, right around 49.17. Ran that up for a few scalps, got that out, and then stopped out there, and then back here again it was, nothing that I could see on the prints. So, but here's something that I don't talk much about because I don't know much about it yet, but it's just an observation. And this is strictly with apex order prints. These double bolts right here, they tend to signify some type of a reversal that I've been seeing going on. But again, I wouldn't have taken this trade down here because there was nothing on the prints that told me that, but I would have caught a pullback. So, which would have been most likely in this area right here, about 49.30, 49.35 or so. And let's see if we can make this bigger again. And when you have all this volume, it really shrinks the prints down. So, it caught a pullback in this area, and which I think I did anyway, and then ran this on up. So I got stopped out here, but I've been noticing these prints, these double bolts rather. So have it here, some type of reversal. Wouldn't have worked here. Definitely would have worked back here, and would have worked here and here. So it's just something that I've been observing for a bit now. Scalp to position would have worked here, but with the down pressure on this one, I definitely wouldn't have jumped in that one. So I may talk more about that in future videos as I start understanding it more. But I still, I weigh heavily on the orders coming in to the market to really gauge this stuff. So to gauge my entry. So 50 ticks for the day was around 54, somewhere in this area, and then ran it up to, peeled off at 50.04. I believe was the second to last contract in this area anyway. So all right guys, I'm gonna wrap the day up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow hopefully. All right, bye.